Yo, what's going on YouTube? This is Technical Side in today's video. So today I'm going to show you how to flash your iPhone without losing any of your data. If you have a booting problem or any, just follow me in these sample steps. I will guide you how to do it right away. So first we'll need this tool right here. It's called 3 tools. Just download this, the free tool. So open it, connect your iPhone. I have an iPhone 4. Go to Smart Flash. You can download the latest iOS version for your iPhone from here, or import your flash file if you have it already. I will look at a firmware. I have downloaded this before. That's it. So keep this, retain users data to keep all your files on your iPhone. Alright, so I will check on my importance file. Just hit flash. So just wait some time till it's finished flashing your iPhone. So the flash has done. Congratulations, routine data flash complete. Alright, that's it for this video, guys. If this was helpful for you, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and like my video for more upcoming tutorials. And if you have any issue or anything, just drop it in the comments below. So see you soon, guys, in another video. Bye.